And we're going to take this guy off. Let's play. Well, good thing it's 75 degrees out. So I tried from the top, and luckily this popped downward. So these actually pop from here, from the bottom. Let's see. Let's do a one-handed. Alright, so we align. You see this line? That line's up in that little square. And it goes back in like that. See that? Snap right in. Beautiful. Now, let's take it back down. Oh, that was hard. But first, I know, you gotta pull this guy out. Top first. And this guy pops in. And that little track. You see that? You see. Right? Alright. Now, let's get this mirror up out of our way. I don't think we need to, but I'm gonna do it anyway. It is a T20. Already loosened it. Don't take the screw all the way out. Go upward. There you go. And that is how you remove the mirror of a Kia. Does it say EV6? It does. All right. He paid for the extra floor mats. It's Meridian sound. Oh, surround. Ooh, hello. So, I don't think you even need to remove this cover. But I did anyway. Can you? No, I think it covers it. Yeah, I think it covers it. But listen, pop it right out like I showed you. There you go. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.